Hello and welcome to part 3 in my series of LG calibration videos. This time 20-point white balance. I'm using the Expert Darkroom preset here. Everything here has been set up with patterns beforehand. Slight lift in the brightness, slight lift in the colour and the tint. And I'm using 2.4 gamma. Let's have a look at the white balance settings. Set to 20 points here. But first I did a 2-point white balance as a starting point. A high, red is 6, green is 0 and blue is -3. Let's have a look at what the low settings are. Quite a big change here. Red +31, green -5, blue 37. Okay, let's go and look at 20 point. Let's start down at the bottom at 5. Not much of a change here. Red -1, green 0, blue -4, but as you'll see this changes as we go up. 10. Red -1, green 0, blue -4. Let's have a look at 15 now. Red -1, green 0, blue -3. As you can see, that's changed a little bit. Have a look at 20. Red -1, green 0, blue -2. Now you'll find that as we go up, some of the adjustments don't need to be made at all. Let's have a look at 25. This is a case in point. At 25 I didn't need to make any adjustments. 30. And again at 30, nothing to change here. 35. Red 2, green 0, blue 4. 40. Red 5, green 0, blue 5. 45. Just a change on blue. 50. Again, nothing. It does take probably an additional hour to an hour and a half to do a 20-point white balance. 55. Nothing on 55. 60. Again, nothing on 60. 65 now. Nothing on 65. If I remember correctly, there's nothing now until 100. Let's just go up and find out, stopping at each stage. 75, nothing. 80, nothing. You'll notice I haven't touched the luminance on any of these adjustments, and that's because a luminance adjustment makes a very big adjustment in terms of RGB. You're much better off making the changes to the red, green and blue channels independently. Okay, so we end up at 100 now, and we've got a -11 red, green 0, blue -3. Okay, that's the full 20-point values. Let's have a look at what it looks like. As you can see at the bottom end, going up, everything is 0.9 or below. Let's have a look at the colour now. I redid the colour just to be doubly sure. Small changes here. In red, in green, and in blue. There's a small change in cyan. There's nothing to change in magenta. and there's a small change in yellow. Just a -1 tint and a small bump to 2 in the luminance. Okay, let's have a look at the results. As you can see, all these are in the green. I've managed to get this result actually by upping the global colour a little bit, which has improved some of these values. And in the CIE chart, you'll see that actually the saturation is a little overdone. I had to do that to get everything in the green in the previous screen. Anyway, I hope that's been useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.